how to link samples using a desktop computer through DataSight. First, ensure you are logged into DataSight. Select the menu on the top left of the screen, then select Sample Management. Select the View or Register Samples tile. Either enter the bottle ID number located under the QR code on the sample label, or scan the QR code using the device camera and follow the link or copy and paste into your browser. To select the asset for this sample, first select the plant from the drop-down list, then select the Select Machine button near the bottom of the page. Then select the Enter Details button. Enter sample-specific information here, then select Submit to link the sample. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via email at ces@testoil.com or call us at 216-251-2510.